Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. Friends, how's your life? Guys, this is me Asya, and in today's my collection, beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyle and different ideas of haircut, eye-catching hair dye. I hope you like it. Stop fighting your natural waves. In this video, we are looking at the modern shag and wolf cut. These styles are designed to look better as they get messy. If you have waves and wavy or curly hair, the layers in these cut help manage the volume effortlessly. The beauty of short shag is that more texture you have and better it looks. You don't need a blow dryer, just a bit of leave in conditioner or sea salt spray. Scrunch it with your hands and you have that perfect cool girl vibes. I hope you must try it. And I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like and share my video, and please must support with me, support my channel. And not embarrassing your natural hair is the ultimate low maintenance hack. No more frizz struggles. If you love a relaxed boohoo look, hit that like button and save this for your next salon visit. So beautiful, stay stylish, take care, and bye bye.